OAN Newsroom updated 1:03 p.m. PT, Monday, April 15, 2019. A massive broke out Monday at the historic Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris. French officials have cleared the area as 400 firefighters continue to battle the blaze. The spire and roof of the cathedral have both collapsed, and one of the two towers is also on fire. There is no word on what started the fire, but restoration of the spire was underway. Some parts of the medieval building were under scaffolding when it sparked. Flames and smoke rise from Notre Dame Cathedral as it burns in Paris, Monday, April 15, 2019. Massive plumes of yellow-brown smoke is filling the air above Notre Dame Cathedral and ashes falling on tourists and others around the island that marks the center of Paris. AP photo/Thibaut Camus, French President Emmanuel Macron met with officials on the scene. In a recent tweet he said, "Like all our countrymen, I'm sad tonight to see this part of us burn." While in Minnesota, President Trump said he has spoken with French officials. The president went on to say the fire is a terrible sight to behold and there's no cathedral in the world like it. Let's block ads. Why?